Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to download and install EAFC 24 on your PC or laptop step by step. Whether you are new to EA sports games or just upgrading from FIFA, this guide is for you. Let's get started. So before downloading, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements for EAFC 24. So Windows 10 or 11, I have a Windows 10 Pro, at least 8 GB RAM. I have a 24 GB RAM installed and Intel Core i5 6 600 6600K and AMD Ryzen 5. Here I have AMD Ryzen 5 and NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti or AMD RX processor and around 100 GB of free space. Here I have a lot of space in my SSD cards, and if your system meets this space, you are good to go. EAFC 24 is available on EA app officials and Steam's. Here you can see this, and Epic Games Store. You can choose any of them, but the EA app is the official and recommended options. So download the EA apps, go to the official EA website and www.ea.com. Then click download and EA apps for Windows. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the instruction to install the EA app. Then launch the EA app and log into or create an EA account. Use the search bar to type EA FC 24. Click on the game, choose your edition and purchase it using your preferred payment method. If you already own the game, you will see an install button instead. So click install, choose the drive where you want to install EA FC 24 and wait for the game to fully downloaded and install. This may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once done, you will see a play button. Then click play to launch EAFC 24. Log in to your EA or Ultimate Team account if needed. You are all set. Time to build your square and hit the pitch. And that's how you download and install EAFC 24 on your PC or laptop in 2025. If this helpful and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels.